Hi, welcome to Mrs. G Sewing Space. My name is Emily and I'm here to teach you how to sew. So the projects on this channel are really beginner projects, teaching you the very beginning and the basics of how to sew. And as your skills grow, I'm hoping that you'll be able to find some of my later videos helpful for you as my skills grow as well. Now, I've been sewing for 20 plus years and I am pretty good, but I am not professional by any means. I make clothes for my kids, I make clothes for my husband, and I make clothes for myself. And I do gifts for people that I know. So I'll be sharing that stuff with you as I work on the projects, but I'll also have specific projects for beginners for you guys. So I appreciate you coming to visit my channel. I hope you like what you see. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can continue getting my videos and share this information with your friends or those who might be interested. I hope you have a good time and I'll see you later.